Hello friends and welcome back to another video. So this year I didn't make any garden video update which I usually make by the month of January-February because I don't really have a huge garden to show you. This is my tiny apartment balcony garden, and this is one of the balconies where a little bit of sunlight comes and where I grew a little bit of petunia, some other plants, and most of these plants have been grown from my last year's seeds. I didn't buy any of the plants other than marigold and 2 brinjal plants. Even the capsicum plant which you are seeing over here, these have been grown from the store-bought capsicum, just like I grew the tomatoes, and these have also started fruiting. And this dragon fruit plant was given by my friend, and also the desert rose plant. I also have some moss rose and this Nestasia leaves. It looks nice, so I still kept this plant even though flowering is not there. And this is the overall look of my tiny balcony garden. Because of less sunlight, the issue of pest attack is very high over here, and it's also a covered balcony. So today my video is all about how you can make your own pesticide to remove these mealybugs which are so irritating and they keep on coming back. So for this, all you need is take an empty plastic container, and in this container I am going to add some cooked rice. And after adding some cooked rice, I am going to fill up this container about half to 3/4 with plain water. And in this manner I am going to make this pesticide. It's actually going to be a fermented rice water kind of thing, which actually is an alcoholic water, because when the rice ferments it forms a little bit of alcohol. And this I'm going to keep for about 7 to 10 days. As you can see over here, fermentation has happened. The bottle has swollen up a little bit because of the gas forming, and now this is done, so we can filter it off. So taking a strainer and a piece of tissue paper, because I don't want my sprayer to get clogged up, I am going to strain this liquid. And this liquid which I am straining is actually an alcoholic water which I am going to use as a spray on the mealybugs to remove them from my plants. You can directly use this water on the plants which are affected by mealybug, and this is sufficient to eradicate the mealybugs. You have to keep on repeating it until all the mealybugs are gone. But I am also going to add 2 more ingredients to make it even more potent, and those 2 ingredients are going to be your dishwash liquid and some neem oil. So first of all, let me pour this alcoholic water into the sprayer bottle, and then in this bottle I am going to add a little bit of dishwash liquid. You can use any liquid soap that you have. And I am also going to add a little bit of the neem oil. If you don't have neem oil, you can simply boil the neem leaves and you can use that water also. But I had this neem oil, so I am going to use it. And then I am going to fill up the container with the rest of the fermented rice water, and I am going to give it a good shake so that the ingredients mix up. Now mealybugs, it's really difficult to remove them, because when you try to remove them, they are just sticking to the plants with their waxy layer and they just don't want to leave the plant. But once you spray this solution on the mealybug, or simple rice water also, as you can see over here, the alcohol in the rice water, it just removes the waxy layer of the mealybug, and then it becomes really easy to remove them. Just by the touch of anything, it will fall down. So over here you can see the waxy layer has been removed from the mealybug, and now it is as good as dead. Just by touching it, you can see it falls down. So that makes it really easy to remove them. Even the black amphids which affect the plants, this solution is good for them also. As you can see over here, I had sprayed and all the black amphids are dead and they are just falling off from the plant. So if you have water, you can just spray them with water after a day or 2, and you can see that all of these will fall off. So this is all I have to share with you. If you do not wish to use any chemical pesticides on your plants, then you can easily create this rice water, and you can simply spray with rice water also if you do not want to add the dishwash liquid. You don't have to add it. Simple rice water and neem oil solution is also sufficient to remove off these mealybugs. You may have to repeat the process twice or thrice till all the mealybugs go away. And I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.